lot of the snow has since subsided further out to the east, out towards Lynchburg and Farmville, parts of the Piedmont part of the state. That's the area that we've kind of deemed the sweet spot in terms of the most snowfall accumulation from this system. But as you'll notice, you can see a little bit of a dry slot forming right here around parts of Southside, the southern Roanoke Valley, and the New River Valley, with a little bit more of that snow further out to the west. Now, as we end up here in the next few hours, we're going to start seeing a little bit more of this snowfall drift further to the east and very slowly dissipate within the atmosphere. As for right now, what we're seeing on Skycam Network, you can see where the roads do look certainly slick right now, and a lot of that from some of that snowfall melting at times. It had initially the snowfall needed to get going a little bit before it could end up accumulating to anything significantly. As for right now, temperatures are largely within the 20s and 30s throughout the area, really making for a chilly night tonight, and they're going to get even lower overnight, which will lead to our next cause for concern, being the icing. Let's time everything out for your futurecast here over the next few hours. You'll notice that snow starts to dissipate here about 9-10 o'clock out of the area completely, giving way to partly cloudy conditions and relatively chilly temperatures. We could be waking up in the teens tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. That's really going to be a big reason we see that ice accumulation within some of these areas, and just really the temperatures going to continue for the next couple days as well. Winter weather alerts for tonight. One thing you're going to notice, the winter storm warning has been since pushed further to the east, and now our entirety of our viewing area is simply under winter weather advisory for the region for some of that ice and then some of that lingering accumulation. Now, as for the estimated snowfall totals we've seen so far, well, there's certainly an array of them throughout the region. We've had areas such as 1.7 in Lynchburg, but then we've had localized totals out in Lynchburg that are significantly higher than that by about 2 to 3 inches. Nowhere, I think, is better representative of this than what you're seeing in southwestern Roanoke County. Southwest Roanoke County into Floyd County, that area in the valley, a little bit lower lying, areas that saw colder temperatures earlier today and in turn had some freezing precipitation in the early morning hours of the day. They're seeing a little bit more snowfall than the rest of the area. Look at Roanoke City and compared to Roanoke County, the urban heat island effect, where we start seeing a little bit more heat from more urbanized areas, such as downtown Roanoke. So we here at the station, we only got a couple and a half inches today here for us, but you go just a mile or two further southwest, and you might be seeing vastly different results. Now, as for tonight, again, I mentioned the low temperatures. They're going to be getting into the 15, 17 degree range throughout most of the area, some lower, some higher. Lexington, 11 degrees overnight, Bedford, 14, Alta Vista, 12, Roanoke, 17. And all of this comes in tomorrow as well. Now, tomorrow, we're going to be above freezing, so a lot of the area is going to start seeing some more snow melt from these warmer temperatures, but then afterwards, we'll once again see temperatures drop into the teens and 20s, which could lead to some more icing concerns tomorrow night. Take a look at the 7-day, and we'll leave you out with that right now as to what we're seeing tomorrow. 36 degrees, partly cloudy skies. I'm not sure why that disappeared right there, but we take a look at the picture for the next 7 days. Chance of some mountain snow, possibly on the western slopes, maybe a little bit of rain in the area on Wednesday. Same goes for Friday, and then we'll be well aware of some more bitter cold coming into the picture here this weekend and continuing into next week.